If you're thinking about buying the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 500, the big question is simple. Is it actually worth your money? After looking at what this bike offers, I'd say it's one of the strongest choices in the beginner and intermediate sport bike category. The Ninja 500 keeps the aggressive styling Kawasaki is known for, but it's surprisingly comfortable for everyday riding. The 404cc parallel twin engine delivers smooth, predictable power, making city commutes easy while still giving you enough performance for weekend highway rides. It feels confident without being intimidating. Another big plus is the fuel economy. You can ride for longer without constantly stopping at the pump, and maintenance costs are generally reasonable, which makes it a practical bike to own. Of course, it's not perfect. If you're an experienced rider looking for serious speed or advanced electronics, you might find it a bit basic. But that's really not what this motorcycle is designed for. Overall, the 2026 Kawasaki Ninja 500 strikes an excellent balance between performance, comfort, reliability, and value. Whether you're upgrading from a smaller bike or buying your first sport bike, this is definitely one to keep on your shortlist. It's easy to ride, fun to own, and offers a lot for the price.